Can you really deduct your health insurance on Schedule C as a sole proprietor? And what if you put your spouse on payroll? Can that unlock bigger deductions? Today we're breaking this down with IRS Publication 535, IRS Rules for Family Employees, and California Franchise Tax Board Guidance. Let's make this simple. If you're a sole proprietor filing Schedule C, here's the rule. You cannot deduct health insurance directly on Schedule C. Instead, you may be able to take the self-employed health insurance deduction on Form 1040. Schedule 1. Conditions. The plan must be established under your business. You can't be eligible for coverage under your spouse's job or any employer-subsidized plan. Source: IRS Self-Employed Health Insurance Deduction Guidance. So, as a sole proprietor without employees, health insurance isn't a business expense on Schedule C. It's an above-the-line adjustment to income on your 1040. Now here's the powerful strategy. Hire your spouse as a bona fide employee. If your spouse does real work in your business, bookkeeping, admin, marketing, and you treat them like an employee with a W-2 and payroll taxes, then wages you pay them gives deductible on Schedule C, line 26. Health insurance premiums covering your spouse, yourself, and kids gives deductible as employee benefit programs on Schedule C, line 14. IRS example simplified. If your spouse works for your sole proprietorship, you pay her $30,000 in wages deductible. You also provide $12,000 health insurance for her, you, and kids. Both are deductible on Schedule C. Wages gives line 26. Insurance gives line 14. IRS Pub 535 says, employee benefit programs include accident and health plans. You can generally deduct amounts you spend on employee benefit programs on the applicable line of your tax return. This is key. When your spouse is a bona fide employee, the family's health insurance becomes a business expense, not just a personal adjustment. But remember, your spouse must actually work in the business. You must run payroll properly. The plan must be in your business's name. California follows federal treatment here. California conforms with the federal self-employed health insurance deduction. California also allows the deduction for bona fide employees' spouse wages and benefits, just like federal rules. So, whatever strategy you use, Schedule 1 adjustment or Schedule C business deduction, California matches federal. So here's the takeaway. Sole proprietor only gives deduct health insurance on Form 1040. Schedule 1. Spouse on payroll gives deduct both wages and family health insurance on Schedule C. IRS-backed, California-backed, and 100% legal when done right. If you found this helpful, please hit subscribe, like, and share because we're breaking down more small business tax tips every week.